Welcome to Building a Better Machine, where we upgrade our skills one command at a time. This is level 12 of OverTheWire's Bandit War game for Linux. I'm Desmond, and if you're here learning alongside me, do all the things to the video, like, subscribe, or just leave a comment. But without further ado, let's get started. The prompt for this level reads, the password for the next level is stored in the file data.txt, which is a hex dump of a file that has been repeatedly compressed. For this level, it may be useful to create a directory under the /tmp in which you can work. Use mkdir or make directory with a hard to guess directory name, or better, use the command mktemp-d, then copy the data file using cp and rename it using nv, read the man pages. And as usual, the commands that you may need to solve the level is right below. Grep sort unique strings, base64, tr, tar, gzip, bzip, xxd, mkdir, cp, nv file. And there's a link to a hex dump wiki as well.
Now we have a hex file. How do we get from hex to binary xxd? Echo ibase. Don't know what any of that stuff means. In Linux, you can convert hexadecimal to binary using the command line tool like bc, xxd, or base nc, depending on whether you want a binary string or a binary file. Converting a hexadecimal number to a binary string. Okay, don't need that. Converting a hex data in a file to a binary file. So using xxd. If you have a file containing plain hexadecimal values for hello, and you want to convert it back to its raw binary, xxd is ideal. xxd minus r use plain hexadecimal format, which ignores white space and line changes. That looks like gobbledygook. So let's do this. File data.bin, the gzip compressed data. It was data2.bin, last modified. it was there. So I'm gonna rename it back that and then unzip it. There's the compressed file. So now I'm gonna unzip it. This is the data one. The data hexes. Bzip. So that's the bmp data.bc2. So there's the compressed file again. So now we use zip.bc2. Back to data. So we file data to the file. So gzip file. So I'm going to do the same thing. Mv tar. The most common command to extract any compressed tar file is tar gz. What? Tar x. Wait. No, I need to mv data.tar tar xf data.tar ls. So the data 5 binary file data 5 and it's also a tar file. mv data 5.bin to data 5.tar ls tar minus xf data 5.tar ls data dot no this data 6 then file data 6 dot then gzip decompress bz decompress and remove original. So mv data 6.bin data 6.ez ls unzip. Unzip to data 6.bz. So there's the data 6 file, data 6, freaking tar mv, data 6. Data 6.tar/ls. Data 6.tar. And then we're gonna do tar xf data 6.tar/ls. And there's a data 8.bin right now. File data 8.binary. Is it a gzip? So from here, it's going to be mv data 8.bin to data 8.gz. Unzip data 8.gz plus file data 8 ASCII text cat data 8. That's painful. Well, but it's a good exercise, right? Here we are. I wonder if I should All right, we did it. Great success. 26 minutes. I feel like I got better. I definitely feel better. I feel like definitely improved. My understanding has deepened, and yeah. Small wins compound. So let's just keep showing up together. Small wins. There's I think it's Ugandan or Kenyan proverb that says, little by little, a little becomes a lot. Translated loosely. So keep showing up. Let's do this. Peace.